Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is of class 5 for the subject of computers. Topic: Main components of Scratch, which is covered in chapter 6, starting on page number 71 of your textbook titled KIPS Logics 5 and is being submitted to you on 12th of January year 2021. This voice is of Rupinder Kaur. All the students may now please open page number 71 in front of them. I hope all the students are ready for today's lesson. Let us start with the topic: Main components of Scratch. Students, in the previous assignment, all of you have learned how to start Scratch. In this assignment, you will learn about components of Scratch. For this, all of you will follow figure 6.2. Components of chart present in your book on page number 71. As the figure is showing, there are so many components in the Scratch window. We are going to study all these one by one. Number 1. Sprite. Students, as you can see, the picture of a cat in the figure 6.2, sprite word is also written below this. Sprite is a graphic character that performs actions in a Scratch project. There are a number of inbuilt sprites in Scratch. By default, cat sprite will appear whenever you will start the project in Scratch. Number 2. Stage. Students, all of you know that stage is a working area where you can perform all your work. Like in MS Paint, you get the drawing area for making drawings. Here, stage will also work like the main working area where sprite will move according to the given instructions and perform actions. This area will help you to watch stories, play games, and run Scratch projects created by you. It is divided into X, Y coordinates. You can see the value of both coordinates at the bottom of the stage. These coordinates indicate the position of sprite on the stage. Number 3. Sprite list. Students, sprite list will display the thumbnails of all the sprites used in a project. Thumbnail is a small picture icon. Number 4. Presentation mode. Students, this component will help you to see your project on full screen. This view, full screen mode or presentation mode, is located at the top left corner of the stage, as it is marked in the figure 6.2 also. Number 5. Cursor tools. Students, as you can see in the figure, 4 cursor tools are present at the top of the Scratch window. These are as follows. Number 1. Duplicate. For creating duplicate copy of the sprite. Number 2. Delete. for deleting the selected sprite. Number 3. Grow, for increasing the size of the sprite. Number 4. Shrink, for decreasing the size of the sprite. Number 6. Sprite info pane. Students, as you can see, icon present on the top left corner of a sprite thumbnail. It displays the sprite info pane. It shows the information about the selected sprite as well as a few tools. These tools are: number 1. Circular arrow. Number 2. Linear arrow. Number 3. Disable rotation. Students, all of you may now take 3 minutes break. During break time, let me ask you some easy questions. Write down the questions in the notebook and give suitable answers. And the questions are: Question 1. What is a sprite? Question 2. What is the use of sprite list? Question 3. How many cursor tools are there? Name them. Now, pause this audio for 3 minutes. Children, 3 minutes break is over now. Let me give you answers first for the questions that I asked you before break. And the answers are: Answer 1. Sprite is a small graphic character for performing actions. Answer 2. It displays the thumbnails of all the sprites in a project. Answer 3. 4 cursor tools. Number 1. Duplicate. Number 2. Delete. Number 3. Grow. Number 4. Shrink. Children, let me explain to you the next topic present in your book on page number 72. And this is also the component of Scratch. New sprite buttons. Students, these buttons provide different ways to create a new sprite, import and use of the available sprites. These buttons are present at the bottom right corner of the stage as shown in the figure 6.2. Students, we will study these buttons one by one. Number 1. Choose sprite from library. Students, as it is clear with the name library, in school library you can see so many books. Same here, you can see so many inbuilt sprites in the Sprite Library dialog box. Number 2. Paint new sprite. Students, this button will help you to open costumes window as shown in figure 6.3 in the book. Here you can create or draw a new sprite of your choice. Number 3. Upload sprite from file. Students, by clicking on this button, select file to upload by app Scratch. SWF dialog box will open. You can select any file from here as it is stored in your computer. Number 4. New sprite from camera. Students, in this option you can use web camera of your system and click the photograph of your choice. You can use this photograph as a sprite for your project. Children, now I am ending the lesson here. Please read and learn all the components of the Scratch that we have discussed today. Next time, we will learn more components of Scratch. Thank you.